Foundation, all seats with Princess series.
Wow.
And it says here that thank you, Barrister Emmanuel Oladipupo Bada, for your enlightening and entertaining presentation on sickle cell disorder, disability laws and policy. We appreciate having this mysterious area clarified. Yes, very mysterious area to us, because as people living with sickle cell disorder, our rights are being trampled on every day, and we don't even know where to walk into or who to turn to. But today we've known so much about it, so it is courtesy Nike Opalemo Sickle Cell Foundation, all seats with Princess. So I present this to you today, Barrister. Thank you very much for having us today.
It's my pleasure, and I hope to be there whenever I'll be called upon again and again.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.